In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to your WordPress site using the free WordPress HubSpot CRM plugin. Let's dive right in and take it step by step for a seamless integration. The first thing you need to do is access the trial guide for Sales Hub Professional. To do this, simply navigate to the provided HubSpot trial guide link on your browser. Once you have the page open, you'll be ready to start the process of integrating HubSpot with your WordPress. Next, we're going to venture into the HubSpot Marketplace. On the trial guide interface, look around for the Marketplace button. It should be easily accessible from the top menu or sidebar, designed to guide you towards the various apps available for integration with HubSpot. Clicking on Marketplace is like opening a treasure chest of useful tools that can extend the capabilities of your CRM. Once inside the Marketplace, our journey continues towards the Apps section. This is where HubSpot houses all the applications you can utilize to enhance your digital toolkit. You're essentially preparing to arm your WordPress with powerful HubSpot functionalities. Now, in the search bar provided at the Apps Marketplace, type in WordPress. Doing this will filter through the plethora of options available and pinpoint the exact tool you need, the WordPress integration. Now that you've queried WordPress, look through the options and click on the Content Management System. This category should clearly indicate it's meant for content-related integrations, making it an ideal choice for our WordPress connection. When you arrive on the WordPress details page, you're almost there. You'll see an option that says Install App. Click it, and the process of linking your HubSpot account to your WordPress site will commence. Remember, installing this plugin is like adding a new feature set to your website, empowering your business with customer relationship management tools directly on your WordPress dashboard. At this point, you might receive some prompts or on-screen instructions to finish setting up the integration. Follow them carefully to ensure everything is connected properly. Usually, this involves logging into your WordPress account and establishing communication between the two platforms, allowing data to flow seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through installing the free WordPress HubSpot CRM plugin. Not only will this connection help you harness the full potential of HubSpot's CRM capabilities, but it will also provide a more streamlined process for managing your content and customer interactions right from your WordPress site. With your new tool set up, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of a cohesive digital ecosystem tailored to your business needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy integrating.